Alright guys, let me grab my flashlight. I can show you the weld job. Nice, clean, got its own little gusset there. Got 3 passes on this lower side, because that's the part that looks like it's going to take the worst of the beating. I did 2 passes on that side. Oh yeah. That's a good quality repair right there. Not that thing they did earlier. That thing looked like junk. I don't know who welded that, but take their welding certification away. Whoever. I don't even have a welding certification, but look at that. That's the cleanest weld I ever seen. And that's no certification right there, guys. Although I will say I did go to welding school. Dang, that looks good. It's like a stack of dimes, and I MIG welded that. Anyways, enough bragging about my welding skills. I'm gonna let this thing cool down. Right now we're gonna try and put on the front wheel seal and all that garbage. I'm not gonna film you guys because you'll be sitting out in the weather, and I don't want my new microphone getting all wet and stuff, so we're gonna have to not film it.